Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in my school, especially in my classroom, never ever tamper with any of the fire alarms in the building or in the modular building. Now remember, our school has fire alarms installed for a reason. They are installed to alert faculty and students that there is a fire emergency and they have to leave immediately. So they are not to be messed around with. Never pull the fire alarm for fun. Never open the fire alarm button. Never take the trim plate off the alarm. Never paint the alarm. Never unscrew the alarm off the wall. Never screw it in more. Also, never take the alarm off the ceiling. You don't ever throw it. You don't take the strobe off. You don't disable the sound or the strobe. You don't take the sounder off. You don't adjust the volume, the pattern, or candela on it. You don't take the fire lettering off of it. Our school's fire alarms don't have the logo on them, so you don't have to worry about taking the logo off of them. But one thing you do have to worry about is EST Genesis devices. With the Running Man image escaping from the fire, remember, never take that image out and never rip that image out of those devices. Never cut power to the alarm system. Never tamper with any control panels or any other controls for the fire alarm system. Never tamper with the detectors or flow switches. Never tamper with relays. Just leave our school's fire alarm system alone. Never smash the fire alarm. Never do any of that. That is not good. Remember, if you break the alarm, you are responsible for paying the school money to get a new alarm. If you pull, paint, unscrew, or smash the fire alarm in my school, you are going to get expelled from school and you are going to get arrested by the police. So never ever mess with the fire alarm in my school. Bye.